Now that we have our spots put on our fish, one of the last things that we're going to do is we're going to put our paired fins on. We've already pre-painted our paired fins, so they're all ready to go into place. As you see on disc 2, what we've done is we've showed you how to make the saddles or the seats to apply your fins to after they're painted. What we're going to do now is we're going to use a product called EpoGrip's Fin Magic. Fin Magic is a product that has the consistency of a like an industrial strength 5-minute epoxy. What I like about it is that it's semi-transparent and we can actually do the transition of the fins very clean with this product. What we're going to do is we're going to take a small little cup of water that we have here, and I'm going to put just a little squirt of Dawn in here, and you can use just about any detergent that you like. Make sure that your detergent doesn't have ammonia in it. The ammonia will somewhat react to the Fin Magic, but just regular straight Dawn or just about any other dish detergent is fine. What we're doing is we're basically creating a surfactant is what we're doing. We're making the water a little bit slippery so we can apply the Fin Magic without it sticking to us. We're going to use a little bit of super glue to put our fin into place, and then we're going to apply the Fin Magic right over the surface of the fin, and we're going to blend them into place. Let's take a closer look. We're going to put a little bit of super glue in here. And we've already pre-fit our fins. And we're going to put the pectoral fin in place first. And because we've made our pockets, they'll fit right into place rather nicely. Be exactly the same thing here. We're going to put a little bit of super glue into place there. Always test fit your pelvic fins to make sure you got the right one going into place first. You can ask me how I know that. I've made that mistake once or twice. It's almost for sure when you do 3 fins, one will give you a hard time. On to our EpoGrip Fin Magic. What a wonderful product this is by EpoGrip. It's an AB. We make, equal parts of each. Usually for a fish this size, something around the size of a nickel a piece will do. And just mix this thoroughly. I like to sprawl it out a little bit just to make sure there's no swirls in it. We're going to put a little bit of material on here. As you can see, I'm not terribly neat about it when I put it on. We're going to use some water with a squirt of Dawn in there, and Dawn acts as a surfactant. I tap this up onto the fin, and then I remove my excess. Because we virtually have just about no seam line to fix because we've made that nice pocket, we just blend it into place. Going to do the same thing for our paired fins. Now certainly if you're not comfortable doing 2 at once, then you just do the one. You can do each fin just completely individually and then just go back and do it. You have about 10 minutes in between fins. The Fin Magic will set in about 7 minutes, and then you can go back and do the next one. We choose to do all 3 at the same time. We're used to doing it, but for sure, if you're not used to doing it, don't. Just do one. We blend this material up on the fin, and then do that. Now we're going to create a false nicotinating membrane. I'm going to take a little bit of Fin Magic, and I'm going to put it right where the false membrane area should be that we've framed out. Now I'm going to take a little broken popsicle stick, and I've just dipped it in the blue water, if I'm using Blue Dawn there. And I'm just going to shape that around the edge of the eye. And this adds a real nice, soft, tissue-y dimension to your fish work. Well done. Our fins are in place. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a little bit of the Woods and Water Ivory White, and we're going to touch up just around the base of the fins where we did our Fin Magic work. Let's take a closer look. Very, very, very little paint work that we have to do here. We're just kind of coming in and just dressing the little seam line that we have here with our Woods and Water White. Little touch-ups if we need them.